In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Outlook to move emails. If your inbox is overflowing, a simple rule can automatically file routine messages, so you only see what needs your attention. Start on the Outlook homepage, the main mail view where you can see your inbox. This walkthrough uses Outlook on the web. Have your account open and your inbox visible so you can access the settings we need. Look to the top right for the Settings gear icon and click it. This opens Quick Settings, a panel that lets you control how your mailbox behaves. We'll move into the detailed options from here, so the rule works exactly as you expect. In the Settings pane, select Mail. That takes you from the Quick View into the full Mail settings area, where all message-related preferences live, including reading layout, forwarding, and, importantly for us, rules. Within the Mail settings, find and open rules. This section lists any rules you already have and is the control center for creating new ones. It's a good place to glance over existing rules so you don't accidentally duplicate behavior. Now create your rule to move emails based on your topic. Choose the option to add a new rule, then give it a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later. Under Conditions, tell Outlook how to identify the messages you want to move. Common choices include From for a specific sender, Subject includes for keywords, or Sent to for messages arriving at a particular address or alias. You can combine conditions to be more precise. Next, set the action to move to and select the destination folder. Pick a folder you already use for that topic, like invoices, receipts, or newsletters, so your filing stays consistent. If you don't want other rules acting on the same messages, enable the option to stop processing more rules after this one. Add an exception only if there are cases you want to leave in the inbox, such as messages marked important. Take a moment to review your choices, make sure the rule is turned on, and save. From now on, new messages that match your conditions will bypass the inbox and land directly in the folder you selected, keeping your mailbox tidy and your priorities clear. That's all there is to it. Your Outlook rule is ready to go and will quietly keep things organized in the background.